This is my main channel where I have over 100,000 subscribers. That's why I talk about YouTube tips. Let's get into it. When you upload a video, share that video, share that it's out to your, I say community tab. That's what YouTube used to call it, literally just like months ago, less than a year ago. But the posts tab. And then also, if you're on other social media, go on and share it there as well. And do that like immediately after your video goes live, or the smarter way, even when you're scheduling the video, go on and schedule the post. Let me know, do you all know how to schedule posts? Because you can schedule those as well. Um, and you're doing this because it just helps to boost the visibility of your video and to give it a better chance to be seen. Once again, all of this is just about doing things a smart way when you upload. Yes, it's some extra steps. It's going to take a little bit more time, but you're going to find that it's worth your while. And so let me see. And I'm flipping back and forth between tabs. And so if you don't know how to do that, I'll show you right now, and I'll do it on here. So I don't have a new video, but let's pretend that I do. We're going to schedule a post, and I'm going to have to remember to take this post down so that people don't think that I'm crazy. So we're going to go to the posts, and I'm going to do this just like I would if I was doing a video. So I'm going to find a thumbnail. Let's see here. What's my most recent thumbnail? Okay, so this is the most recent thumbnail that I created. Going to edit the preview so that we have this inside of that box. This is what people will be able to see. Okay, so I'm making my post. Okay, you need to know how to schedule a post. Awesome. Okay, great, Sherry. So this part is just for you. Okay, so I've got my image that I'm going to use, and this is how I suggest that you share videos, whatever. You do your thumbnail as it. So you saw that I did that as an image post, right? Let me go back. I'm going to cancel this. Okay. So we're going to do it as an image post because people are more likely going to stop at pictures than they would just text, right? So your image is going to be the thumbnail for the video. So it's going to obviously, ask you to select the image. And again, it's going to take me a while to go down there and find that image. Where is that? Okay, there. Okay, so I just made a video. My first video for Vlogmas was called 5 Reasons to Not Do Vlogmas. I'm going to edit the preview and just have it to where people can get an idea within just the frame without having to click to see the full picture, that this is what I'm talking about. So I'm going to save that preview, and then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to write, hey, people. And obviously you're going to write something more thoughtful than I am, but this is just for the sake of me making this post. Okay, hey people, are you thinking about doing Vlogmas this year? That's not how you spell it. Vlogmas this year? Before uh, you make your first video, watch this one. Okay, and so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just pull up this channel on another tab so that I can get the link to this video, because we want to make it easy when we're sharing things on our community tab that we want people to look at. We don't want to have them say, okay, she made this video, now let me go to her channel and find the video. No, we're going to put it right there in their face. So all that that you can't see on that tab is I'm going to grab the link so that I can copy it. Okay, I just copied the link from another tab. So now I'm coming back over here and I pasted that link. And so now when they see this thumbnail, they'll be able to get the link to that video. So now you see down here, it says cancel, post, and then there's that little down arrow. So you're going to click that little down arrow. Okay. Let's see here. And I see you have another comment, Sherry. I'm going to bring it up as soon as I finish this. Okay. So you're going to click that little down arrow. And then below that, you see it says schedule post. So you're going to click schedule post. It typically always goes to the next day at midnight. But let's say I want to schedule this for today. Today is December the 3rd. And it won't allow you to schedule it. You see if it's for a time that's in the past. But as soon as I click on a time that's coming up, you're going to see that schedule is going to turn to blue. So let's say I want to post this at 10 o'clock p.m. just for the sake of this demonstration. Okay, 10 o'clock p.m. and now you see schedule is blue. That means that I can hit it. And I'm going to go back to a time that's in the past. You can see the schedule turns to gray. So it won't even allow you to make that mistake and schedule a time that has passed. So let's go back to 10 o'clock p.m. and I'm going to schedule that there. And so now it went away and I have this post that's going to be coming up. So that's how you schedule it. So you can do it that way. And I believe that that's the smarter way to do it. As long as you're going to go on and schedule the video and you know how to do that already, you may as well go on and schedule the post at the same time. Like I said, it takes a little bit more time. Or you could do it the opposite way. You could wait until your video is already live and then let them know, hey, this video is out. But it's the same process, right?